One avocado, two avocados, let's go make some guacamole. Guac. 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 Guac.
Guacamole.
Guac.
Delicious.
Guac. 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 Guacamole, guacamole. I want some guacamole, guacamole, guacamole. Delicious guacamole, guacamole, guacamole. So tasty guacamole, guacamole, guacamole. I dream of guacamole. Guac, guac,
Guacamole.
guac, 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 guac. Onions, jalapenos, and lime go well with avocado, cilantro, black pepper, and salt. Give more flavor to my guac. Onion powder and cumin will spice up my guacamole. Now just add a small tomato and then mix that guacamole. Guacamole, guacamole. I want some guacamole, guacamole, guacamole. Delicious guacamole, guacamole, guacamole. Amazing guacamole, guac. Recipe is done. Now I'll eat my guacamole, guacamole.